your head on my shoulder. Hold me in your arms, baby. Squeeze me.
This is my desk. So over here we just have this sign that says "Take me to Paris." Oh my God, Paris. And then when you back up, this is what my little corner looks like. I finally turned on my ring light, so now it's a little bit brighter. But I got this mirror from Ross because it just adds a nice oomph to the whole corner. And then this I also got from Ross. Nice. You can make it brighter or lower. Yeah. I also do my schoolwork here. I'm not going to open this drawer. It's a mess. I have perfumes here. Jewelry. Stuff in my hair. And then we just have like some excessive stuff over there. And then I have some trinkets right here, They're really cute. This is the cutest piece. Well, these two. Like, how cute is this? So cute. And moving over, these are my brushes. This is a facial mist that I've had there for like years. Well, I've had it for years. And just have a pair of glasses laying there. My uncle actually sprayed the lamp so it could, go with the theme of my room. But that's all with my desk. And now we're going to move on to the little corner. When I'm sitting by my desk, I like to, look over at this mirror so I can see my highlighter to see if it's beaming. And you can see that she's a little, crusty, but she gets the job done. I have petroleum jelly ear piercing thingy right here. I have cotton swabs and cotton pads. I usually have cotton balls in here, but, I haven't stocked up. I got this from Dollar Tree and also this. I actually found this in the kitchen section. Good deal, good deal. This is the top drawer set. I have a candle back there. Please ignore that. But I used to have labels on these and then they fell off. And I also, sprayed it over, but I think I need to do it again. But the first drawer has my highlighters, and bronzers. This one has eye products and then lips, so we're going to go in order. This is what my highlighter / bronzer drawer looks like. She is crowded. I have Too Faced in here, Makeup Revolution, Laura Geller, more Too Faced, Urban Decay. I also have an Urban Decay liquid highlighter, Kat Von D, makeup. What is this? Maybelline. Oops. Bare Minerals, Becca, NYC, more Makeup Revolution. Makeup Revolution. Underneath here is Makeup Revolution. What is this? The Bomb. I have, oh my gosh, Elf. NARS, Kevin Aquan, Ofra, Profusion, and Anastasia back there. But this is what the drawer looks like. If you guys want me to do, in depth, let me know. This is the highlighter that I'm trying to use up this month. This is the Makeup Revolution Rose Gold Glow. Very pretty. I am also trying to use this one. You can see that I've been using it. Very nice. It smells just like coconuts, so if you can get your hands on this, get your hands on this. Phew, phew, phew. This is what it looks like. I have used it. I have been using it, but it barely looks like I've touched it. This is my eye drawer. I have mascaras in here. Primer. Oh my gosh. Primers. Concealer, BB cream. Face powders. I just didn't have anywhere to put this because this was supposed to be my face drawer, but my highlighters and bronzers take that up. I have lashes in here. I don't even wear lashes. I have this. Ooh, this I love. Look at that. Wow. Very pretty. But that's really it. I just have like a single shadow and then this is a liquid eyeshadow. Haven't gotten the chance to use it. But that is my eye drawer. This is my lip drawer. It's not that much, it looks like a lot, but it's not that much. I have a bunch of these Laura Geller. Oh, that's not Laura Geller. These are all Laura Geller. I have Buxom, Becca, Revlon, Laura Geller, Too Faced. This one I've had for a long time. Profusion, you gotta keep that bliss sticks on ya. And then I have Carmex. But that's really it in this drawer. Okay, now I'm gonna move on to these. These do have labels on them just because they are bigger and they were able to, you know, like keep the labels. I don't know. But this is my skincare drawer. I have a bunch of toners in this, you know, section. Where did I get? I don't even know where I got these. But I have my, you know, my favorite aloe vera gel. I have micellar water in here. Like, these are things I have to do with makeup and acne in here. So I have a bunch of acne treatments. But this one I recommend. This is from Equate Beauty, which is Walmart's brand. Really, 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 really good. I have face masks, so, you know, the ones in the jars, ones in tubes, and then sheet mask. But that's really it. I have, like, a backup of this. This is really good. If you struggle with, you know, like, body acne, this is really, really good. And then I have a jade roller. I think I've used this in my previous videos before. And then I have sunscreen. So that's that drawer. The second drawer has my eyeshadow palettes. I really do not have that many, but these are my makeup bags. I have cream makeup here and like vampire stuff. I don't know. Then I have this shimmer. I don't know why I have this in here. I don't know. But I have this one. This is what I'm trying to use this month. This is the Cargo Chill in the 6 palette. This is what it looks like. I've only used the shade Goose just because it's more, you know, natural for every day. But I have the Too Faced White Chocolate Bar palette. That's what that looks like. I have Makeup Revolution NYX. I got this from Ulta, I think 3 years ago for my birthday. Ellen Tracy, Morphe, NYX. My mom got me this one. This one I do love. This I hit pan on because I was using it so much. Wow, look at that. I have this one. I think I used this in a tutorial before. I'm not sure. This is actually a highlight. This was my first highlight palette, but it does not have everyday shades in here. I don't know why I bought this, so I just put it in eyeshadow. And lastly, this was a part of like the Too Faced gift set. That is actually what I have up here. That's what came in that. That's what it looks like. Very natural. But that's really it for my, you know, eyeshadow drawer. Not that much in here. The drawer underneath this makeup one is my hair drawer. Can't go any further because everything is jam-packed in here. I have bonnets, scrunchies. I even have, you know, these hair colors. I bought like 6 of them to see like what color would look nice, you know? But that is my hair drawer. And then lastly, this is the nail drawer. This organizer I got from Dollar Tree, but I try to organize it by color. Oh my gosh. Try to organize it by color. You can kind of see. This section is unorganized. I'm still not done with it, but in here I have the rest of the cotton pads. Nail polish remover. I bought this from, where was it? I think Family Dollar. It's okay. Not really worth my $2, but it's supposed to dry your nails, but really, like, you're supposed to put your hand under here and then press down and it'll dry it. It's okay. The battery fell out anyway. And then I had some fake nails in here. But that is really my desk / vanity. I didn't go in this drawer just because I'm not gonna go in there. But that's really it.